In today's video, I am going to teach you fillet not working and fillet command not working in AutoCAD. When the fillet command refuses to cooperate, it's almost always down to one of a few fixable issues. The radius is set too high. The lines are not in the same plane, or the lines don't actually intersect. Let's walk through each one clearly and get you back to smooth corners. Start by checking the radius. Type F to start fillet, then R for radius, and press enter. Look at what it's set to. If it's a large number, that radius may be bigger than the space available between your lines, so AutoCAD can't create the arc. Set a smaller radius, try 0 as a quick test. Or 1 if you want a small curve, and run fillet again. If it works with a small value, you've confirmed the radius was the issue. Next, confirm your lines are coplanar. In 2D views, lines may look like they meet, but different Z elevations can prevent fillet from finding a valid solution. Select each line, open the Properties palette, and check the Start Z and End Z values. Set them all to 0, so both lines are on the same plane. Once they share the same Z, fillet can calculate the arc correctly. If you are working with geometry brought in from other sources, running flatten can also help by forcing everything down to 0 elevation. If the command seems to run but leaves the sharp corner instead of cleaning it up, check whether no trim mode is on. Inside the fillet command, find the trim option and set it to trim. That tells AutoCAD to create the arc and remove the excess line segments at the corner, giving you the tidy result you expect. Make sure the lines actually meet or would meet if extended. Even a tiny gap or a slight overlap can throw off the command. Zoom in closely and verify the endpoints align properly. Once the lines truly intersect or align as intended, try fillet again. Finally, check for unsupported geometry. Certain objects, like some blocks or splines, can't be filleted directly. If you suspect that's the case, try exploding the object so you are working with basic lines or arcs. Or use flatten first to simplify the geometry. Then reapply fillet with a sensible radius. With these checks, you will resolve nearly every fillet issue quickly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.